Funky. Hip
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And this is the Air Jordan 1 Pollen and the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. A pair of shoes that you have seen a bunch of videos of already. So I'm really late with this. I'm just super happy that I got them. Yeah, I'm gonna do the unboxing, but this is going to be storytelling as usual. So first of all, super thanks to all the people that tried to help me get these shoes. I didn't expect them to be that hard to get actually, but for some really strange reason, like on Foot Locker, even before they were released, before 9 o'clock in the morning, my size was already gone. That's on Foot Locker Europe. The box is damaged, but it's okay. It's okay. And yeah, the same thing with the stores. I called Denmark Foot Locker. I called Stockholm Foot Locker, two of the stores, and they did not have US 12. Really weird. But once again, thank you to all the people who tried to get them for me, and super thanks to the sneaker Swede Richard that helped me get them. When I thought I wasn't going to get them, Sneakers and Stuff had a release or opening of a new store where they had the shoes in my size. So Richard went there, got them for me. Super cool. Okay, so these I thought was going to be more yellow. These are that golden yellow instead, like the golden brown. So they are not at all as dunks as I thought it would be. Not at all. I thought the color was going to be the same. So yeah, that's a bit too bad about these, but I was thinking of putting a Wu-Tang sticker on it just for fun, because it's not the Wu-Tang dunks, so just for fun. These, as I said, I didn't care too much about them, but the Lightnings, these are one of my favorite pairs, Air Jordan 4. And back in 2006, when they were released, they were a big deal in US, but here in Sweden, I don't remember if only Sneakers and Stuff got them or Sneakers and Stuff and Cali Roots. But yeah, the yellow ones sold out, not super fast, but they did sell out. And we had the Thunder left, and the Thunder were even on sale. Man, these are not that yellow either. The old ones are absolutely more yellow, but the material on these seems to be really soft. The old ones were super yellow, like the laces. So back to the story. And they come as a package, but still not. So the Thunder and the Lightning, the Thunder are black with some yellow. The Thunder came with a t-shirt, I believe. So here in Sweden they cost 250 euro, and that was a lot back then. These, if I remember correctly, came with a jacket that was super ugly. So these cost 500 euro. So these went for resale money right away just because of that. And yellow Jordans have always been a rare thing. And when we got the Tokyo 5, we didn't get the Tokyo 5. When the Tokyo 5 was released, they also went for resale money right away and was hyped right away. So yellow Jordans until now has been really rare. And these has been rumored to drop time after time, year after year, and they have been confirmed to drop, wrongfully confirmed to drop, almost year after year. I remember 2013-14, I got really pissed that they did not release after all the pictures and promises. And so yeah, when they were released as a package sort of, but sold separately, I did not bother about the Thunder ones because I didn't get the Lightning ones. I like the Thunders, but I wanted them both or not at all. And a couple of years later, when the Thunder were released as retro, I don't remember that when that was. It wasn't too long ago, maybe 4 years ago, something. I checked the prices on these, and they were super expensive. At least, I would say in my size, almost 1,500 euro. And I believe I tried to get the Thunder, I did not. So yeah, I thought the same back then. I did not have the Thunder, I did not have the Lightning, so I didn't care about the Thunder too much. But these, I just remember them to be much more yellow. These are more like the Michigans. Not quite. So yeah, both the Air Jordan 1 Pollen and the Air Jordan 4 Lightning Retro, I thought were going to be super bright yellow. So yeah, still cool. Still cool. If I would have seen them in hand before I bought them, I don't know. Cool shoe, I'm gonna wear it once. So, and this is a Retro Master, so the material is better than the 2006 release. The shape is more correct than the 2006 release. And we have the Jumpman because this is not an OG colorway. And another fun thing about these are that I'm a huge motorsport fan. I really like it that Michael Jordan owns motorsport teams. And I've been waiting for years to Jordan brand to release like motorsport items, clothing, racing gloves, whatever. And what we get is some motorsport sneakers with that motorsport blue colorway. Nothing special at all. But these were actually a motorsport design, sort of. If I remember correctly, one of the guys in the first motorsport team, Jordan motorsport team, a bike racing team, one of the guys in the team designed these, and they decided to release them. And the color that they wore on their jackets, the leather jacket, was black and yellow, like these. So Thunder and Lightning are a Jordan brand motorsport team, sort of drop. So for that reason, I like them as well. I really like that the heel tab is leather and not that plastic that cuts in your leg. I mean, I really do like the Air Jordan 4, but most of the shoes, I can't have them while driving because they really cut in my leg. So yeah. Thankful that I got them. Really thankful for all the help from you guys in Solo Crew. I wish that they were more yellow, more bright yellow, like really, really yellow. It's nice to have in the collection. So thanks. You have seen the shoes before. There are a bunch of better videos of the shoes. This was my story about the shoes. I should have got them from the beginning. I should have got the Thunder from the beginning when they were on sale. I should have tried harder maybe to get the Thunder when they were retroed. Now I really want the Thunder because I have the Lightning. And I like it that it's Even if it's unofficial, I like it that it's a motorsport Jordan. And one more thing, actually, I did a video a couple of years ago about the Bread Air Jordan 4, where I said that pair was not true to size. And I get asked like 20 times a day about what size people should get in their Air Jordan 4. What I mean in that video is that the Bread Air Jordan 4 was not true to size. Other Air Jordan 4s are. So for that reason, I'm gonna put them on and let you know if they are true to size or not. As expected, they are true to size. True to size for Air Jordan 4 in general, which means that they are a little bit narrow over here for you guys that have wide feet, as I do. But it's doable. But I'm surprised over how stiff they are. I mean, the material feels soft, but they will need some breaking in to be comfortable. So they are a little bit stiff. I don't know why. The sole feels a little bit softer than standard Air Jordan 4. The material is softer, the heel tab is softer, that is great. But I don't know, the outer sole I think feels a little bit stiffer. But yeah, it's nice, they are nice. They are true to size for Air Jordan 4. So if you're gonna buy a pair, you just go with your standard size. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and of course, if you have any questions, just let me know and I will do my best to answer them. These, again, I'm disappointed. They are not as yellow as in picture. Well.